If you're willing to relocate in 2025, this is an amazing offer you don't want to miss out on. This organization is going to sponsor your move to New Zealand. Let me show you. We want to make your move to New Zealand an easy one. Bupa is an accredited employer with Immigration New Zealand. This means we can support your accredited employer work visa. Did you get that? This is great news. If you live outside of New Zealand and you want to make our beautiful shores your home. So if you really want to move to New Zealand in 2025, you don't want to miss any part of this video. The amazing part of this is that you can actually move to New Zealand with your family and eventually become a permanent resident in New Zealand. This organization is going to hold you by hand and help you to move to New Zealand. There are lots of opportunities available which I'm going to be showing you. You don't need to fret about high health. There is no need for you to write high health for this offer. So guys, if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Please do well to join the family so that you won't miss out on opportunities like this. And for my amazing family, thank you for your support over time. Please do well to like the video, share with your friends and family. And without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So to make it easier for employers in New Zealand to hire foreign workers from outside New Zealand has designated a good number of employers in New Zealand and are giving them accreditation and a go-ahead to bring you into New Zealand. So all you need to do is just to apply to them and they can hold your hands to bring you into New Zealand to live and work there permanently. So I've made a comprehensive video of how to get the list of this accredited employer up here, or you can find it in the video description. So what are the documents you need for this visa pathway? You need a valid job offer from an accredited employer, your international passports, the evidence of your qualification and work experience relevant to the job you're coming to do in New Zealand, evidence of meeting health and character requirements, police certificates, medical certificates, proof of English language proficiency if required for the job. If your employer wants you to present your English language proficiency, that's between you and your employer. But for the visa, you do not need to present the English language proficiency. Proof of relationship, if you are married, your marriage certificate, birth certificate, and any other documents specified in the job offer. So these are basically all you need to apply for your accredited employer work visa. So guys, this employer I'm bringing your way today is Bupa. They are going to walk you through this journey. They are going to help you to move into New Zealand. We welcome you to our warm, caring community. Bupa is New Zealand's largest aged care and dementia care provider. Live a richer life working alongside colleagues who have the same passion whilst you enjoy living in one of the thriving cities or against majestic backdrops like mountains, vineyards, or the ocean. As you can see, live and work in New Zealand, making your move to New Zealand easier. We want to make your move to New Zealand an easy one. Bupa is an accredited employer with Immigration New Zealand. This means we can support your accredited employer work visa. This is great news if you live outside New Zealand and want to make our beautiful shores your home. So this is New Zealand calling foreign workers, if you are living outside New Zealand, to come in to work for this organization, and they are willing to give you the massive support you can ever imagine. So you're going to click on search jobs, and these are the current openings they have. You can see there are 15 open positions available, ranging from cleaner, housekeeper, activity assistant, registered nurse, activities coordinator, registered nurse, kitchen assistant, maintenance officer, caregiver, activities assistant, caregiver, laundry worker, business coordinator, registered nurse here, registered nurse, clinical managers. And you're going to go to the next page. You can see caregivers, cleaner, registered nurse, activity assistant, general manager, clinical manager, activity coordinator, finance business partner, cleaner, housekeeper, kitchen assistant, business coordinator, activity assistant, kitchen assistant, registered nurse. You move to the next page and you see activities coordinator, registered nurses, cleaner, maintenance officer, caregiver, activities coordinator, kitchen assistant. So we have a lot of kitchen assistant, caregivers, registered nurse, general manager, maintenance officer, and all of that. So you can keep checking, guys, and see anyone that matches your qualification and experience. But let me look for one of them, housekeeper. Please don't let me forget to mention that make sure when you're looking for this job, don't take up roles that are casual. So let's go ahead and see this. This was posted on the 5th of June and it's still very much opened. You can see the job posting will expire on the 2nd of July next month. So you still have an ample of time to apply. So you want to check the requirements. These are what you're expected to do. So just check it out. They're saying applications will be reviewed as they are received and therefore may result in the role closing early if the right applicant is found. So that means you don't have to wait until the last day before you apply to this job. So when you're ready to apply, you're just going to click on the apply button and move ahead with your applications. Guys, please make sure your resume is in standard format and make it look competitive, and you can jump on the application, select your resume, insert your personal information, and they're going to ask you a few more details about you and the job specific questions. Please go ahead. You're just going to upload your resume from your device and go ahead with your application. So you can go through the job openings and check out whichever one best matches your qualification and experience, and please send in your application. So guys, if you have any question, drop it for me in the comment section. I'm going to try as much as possible to respond to you. So I wish you the best of luck. See you in my next video.